to reset the maintenance request, I got my key here. I'm gonna put it into the initial real quick and then start the car. Alrighty, and you can use that gauge right there. Use the gauge right there, press that till you get to trip. As you see, it changed to trip A. It don't matter, it can be on trip A or trip B. So once you get to trip, then you're gonna turn off the car. Alrighty, so when you turn off the car, you are going to hold on to this, press against this, and then turn the key. Because I have the camera, so I'm going to try to see if I could do that with one hand. I got my fingers on there, pressing and hold against that, and then turn the key. Alrighty, then as you see, it's blinking out there. Once it gets to 000, there we go. Then you let go. So your maintenance light is no longer on because you just reset that. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You see, we no longer got maintenance lights on the dashboard. The red light you see there, that's my brake and seat belt. On my left side, that's my tire pressure. I have to calibrate all my tires, check the PSI, make sure they're all good so it could go away. So now you could go ahead and press and hold to that and reset that to 0. Then you know in the future, you know, I'm gonna put this to 0 as well. So in that way, in the future when you're driving, you could easily check to see how far you need to go to do oil change. But that might not be necessary because the moment it's time to do oil change, the vehicle gonna let you know that maintenance request or maintenance require, something like that. Alrighty, so that's how you do the oil change and the reset. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.